Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to show your battery icon with percentage information on your OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G. When you're using your OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G, you can see here the battery symbol, and you can just say, okay, perhaps I have 90% of my battery left, but you cannot see it exactly. And if you have perhaps a trip or something, then perhaps you want to see exactly how much battery you have left. The good side is you can activate this. So we go to the settings, and when we are in the settings, we go way down to the section battery. And when we are in our section battery, we click on advanced settings, and here at the bottom you can see show battery percentage on status bar. So I turn it on, and then you can see the symbol changes, and now it says okay 89%. So it's pretty cool to see okay how full is my battery, and then I am pretty sure okay when is my battery full or when not, and should I charge it or not. So I would recommend you just to activate this battery percentage on status bar, and I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.